morning, everybody. I had a vision last night. I had a vision that this man was being eaten by a cat. The cat was chewing on his cheek. So you might want to beware of those cats out there. So if the cats are starting to eat the people, then the dogs will start to eat the cats. I will order my dogs to start eating cats. Do you get it? So whomever you are out there feeding people to cats, I suggest you stop. Did I make myself clear? I suggest you stop doing it. Stop feeding people to cats. And don't alter me, and don't switch it here and there. Oh, I can also meow like a cat. And when I meow like a cat, that means that cat better stop what it's doing. Or I will be 10,000 lioness werewolves eating those cats that's eating people in one day. I don't like having visions like that. Thank you, YouTube, for your support. Just thought I would warn you about the vision that I had. And Robert Manuel, love you.